Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly, and I've got a nice surprise for you today which I'd like to test this morning. And this is the new helmet. Oh nice. Let's check the model out. You probably looked at it before, and here it is. Helmet Bogotto Radic. Alright, matte black, L size. So I think we need to unpack it. Okay. Always like doing that to new helmets. Perfect. Nice cover. You can feel the sunroof. Okay. There we are. It's got a nice helmet bag. I need to take it out from the bag. Okay, there we are. That looks really good. Very, very cool. Okay guys, so my first impression, wow, great. So let's check out the weight. Here it is. Well, it's not as light as the LS2 helmets. So this jet helmet is also very good looking. How to detach this part? I guess you press here. Let's try it out. Yes, that's how you do it. So it's easy as that. You just press this button here, and here it clicks to lock again. All right, I think I need to put it on. So let's remove this visor protector. Okay, and let's try and put it on now. All right guys, time to put it on. Quite spectacular. Very cool. All right, let's do a 360, guys. I just love it. Feels real good, okay? In fact, I can't wait to test it out. All right. Okay guys, see you on the bike, see you on the road. Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly. I'm finally riding with this new helmet, as you guys can see, the one I have unpacked just recently. This is the Bogotto, alright, Radic, and I hope you just love it. Okay, so what are my impressions so far? First of all, it's cool. It's not as loud as the LS2 drifter helmets. It's also a jet helmet, so you guys remember, this front piece does not protect you from impacts, although it looks really cool. The advantage of jet helmets is that they are really light, so you can see 1.5 kilograms the weight. It's got the different vents, and again, it's not as loud as the LS2. It's also got this well, sun visor. You can easily move up and down, and inside, let me show it to you guys, you have nice interiors, which in most cases nowadays is washable. So again, you can see here, does not protect the jet from impact. You can remove it and make an open helmet. So I've been riding in nice hilly surrounds. There's a bit of wind, as you can hear, and so far my impressions are really good. So would I recommend this helmet? Oh yeah, especially it's not really that expensive. It looks really good. Okay, as for the jet helmets, which I'm a fan of, this I can honestly say is quite cool. Alright, matte black in this case. So without further ado, let's jump on a bike and keep on riding, guys.